Hello and welcome to my first ever vlog. So you can probably tell by the title that recently I went to London for a few days. I vlogged the whole thing as best I could. I forgot to do an intro, so here it is. I hope you enjoy my vlog of London, my first vlog ever. So we're just going to go into the Natural History Museum now, which is here. It's a bit windy, so hopefully it'll be nicer inside. I've just finished going to the Natural History Museum with Tim, who's here somewhere. Hello.
Really good.
Now we're going to go and get the tube and get a coffee somewhere. So, yeah.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
We're now finished with our coffee and it's time to head to the hotel. We walked there via Chinatown and Seven Dials. We have now made it to the hotel, which is like literally the world's darkest hotel room. We have a tiny sliver of a window, which is a bit annoying because I was going to film a Get Ready with me, but the lighting is just too awful. And Tim is here as well.
Hi.
And I have a coffee here.
Very quick.
For our first evening meal, we just ate at Wetherspoons. We had pizza, so we ordered a barbecue chicken and a spicy meat feast and had half of each, and we had a couple of drinks and then just headed back to the hotel for the rest of the evening. We are just coming up to Charing Cross Station and we're going to go and get some breakfast. Just getting the tube now. It's really windy in here as well. Breakfast was delicious. We completely failed at getting into the Imperial War Museum, which was the original plan. There was no time slots when we tried to book it after breakfast, so we decided to hop back on the tube and head over to Waterloo to have a look at some graffiti and some street art. So we've got to Waterloo and now we are just going to the graffiti tunnel. Also the London Eye is literally behind me, in front of me somewhere. Gonna be you now. It is literally so cool in here. I don't know if you can see all of the amazing art. So I'm just in the vaults, no, I'm just in Graffiti Alley and there's loads of graffiti everywhere. It is very, very cool, and there is Tim. We're now just on our way to get the tube over to London Bridge. Yeah. So we're just walking across Tower Bridge at the moment. Here's some of it. Here's Tim.
Really nice.
Here's a lovely view of the water.
Hey.
And you. We are on our way to Wetherspoons. I think it's actually one of our favourite ones, the Liberty Bounds, which is by the Tower of London. So no doubt there will be some little clips of that in a moment.
Do you want me to look at the camera? What do you want me to say?
We finish at Wetherspoons now and we're just heading up to Spitalfields Market.
My name.
We are now back at the hotel in literally the worst lighting ever, and I just thought I'd give a little sum up of what we've been doing today. So we went down to Elephant and Castle and then tried to go to the Imperial War Museum but were too late to get tickets. We then went to Waterloo and had a look at all the graffiti down there. Then we went to London Bridge and went to Wetherspoons and walked across Tower Bridge, which is exciting because I've never done that before. Had a little look at the Tower of London, went to another Wetherspoons, walked up to Spitalfield Markets, which we might go for dinner another night, and then went across to Liverpool Street and then have come back to the hotel. I think we're going to go out for some drinks soon and probably get a McDonald's back to the hotel, because why not? So we're just going back to the hotel again now. We ended up not getting McDonald's, but we went to Wetherspoons again and had big fat curry night. So we've just got some sweets and go back to the hotel now, ready for tomorrow. We are going to the British Museum in a little bit. I think our tickets are booked for 10:10. I think it's actually the first slot that's available. So we're going to go there, and then we have booked to have lunch somewhere afterwards, and probably going to do some shopping on Oxford Street. We are at the museum and we've been looking at some mummies, and now I think we're going to go look at some more mummies. The British Museum was excellent, and now we're just off to get some lunch. So I'm sure I'll probably show some clips of our lunch we're going to have in a bit. We have just finished our lunch and now we are going off to the National Gallery, which is a bit of change of plans. So I think we're going to do shopping later in the evening because all the shops are open like super late. So off to the National Gallery now. So it's absolutely chopping it down out there now, and we have come into Wetherspoons, surprise, surprise. We've just got coffees and a Coke. Tim looking very interested. Surprise, another pizza for dinner after such a massive lunch. We weren't really that hungry, but it did get a bit later on and we were kind of hungry. So we ordered a Domino's pizza to collect. It was literally 30 seconds from the hotel and also was really, really cheap to collect. I think this pizza was £7.99. We started off this day by heading over to Charing Cross tube station to get the tube up to Baker Street to have some breakfast, obviously see Baker Street and the Sherlock Holmes plaque. We then decided we were going to head up to Regent's Park and have a nice walk through there before heading over to the Wellcome Collection, which is kind of like an art / like science installation thing. Right at the top of Tottenham Court Road. I think it's literally opposite Euston train station. Hello, we've had breakfast. Oh my god, there's so many pigeons. We've had breakfast, we've just seen Baker Street and where Sherlock Holmes lived, worked, I don't really know. And now we're just walking through Regent's Park, which is very lovely, and we're going to go to another museum in the next couple of hours. Do you want to be in my vlog?
I can be in the vlog if you want.
Are you having
What
fun?
do you want to say? Oh yes, I'm having fun. I'm having fun.
All done at the Wellcome Collection now. They had a really beautiful library and reading room in there, loads of really cool exhibits. I definitely would recommend going. It is free, you just have to book a time slot. And we decided to walk back towards the hotel just down Tottenham Court Road. We were faced with a protest, but we battled our way through that. Do you think it's protests?
It must be protest. Well, they didn't live in it themselves.
Enough. So just got back to the hotel well, we haven't just got back to the hotel. We've been at the hotel chilling for like half an hour, and I've realised I pretty much forgot to vlog anything today apart from like 20 seconds in Regent's Park. So we did the park, we then walked to the Welcome Collection, which was a really cool, I suppose, kind of museum installation type thing. And then we walked back down to Tottenham Court Road tube station where there was a protest going on, and then got a McFlurry, come back to the hotel to chill, and then we're going out in literally 5 minutes to meet some friends for drinks and dinner. I don't know how much of that I'll vlog, I'll probably forget, but I'm sure I'll insert some clips of some food and or drinks. And that's pretty much the day.
What, here's my outfit?
My outfit, my clothes.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Pretty much forgot to vlog the entire evening with my friends, but I was catching up with them. I hadn't seen either of them since last summer. So yeah, just totally forgot to get my camera out and really record everything. We had a few drinks at the pub before heading over to East Street, which is an Asian food restaurant. I had the most delicious sweet potato katsu curry and some chicken satay, had a nice Asahi beer. We just had a little walk around down into Soho and then just went back to the hotel and they got their trains home. But it was really nice to see them, really had a great time just catching up. We're just in Bank area, my hair's looking a bit crazy, don't know what's going on there, but we're going to go get some breakfast and then we're going to the London Docklands Museum. It's a bit grey and windy today, but hopefully it will warm up later. We just had a nice sandwich for lunch and then we decided to get the tube up to Waterloo and just walk across the bridge over to the embankment area. We stopped off in Waterloo station and just grabbed a couple of drinks from M&S and then found a really nice park literally just next to Embankment tube station, and we just chilled there for about an hour or so with our drinks. It was really hot, really sunny, probably was the start of me getting burnt, but we had a nice time. We are now by Embankment in the park, drinking from some cans. I feel like I've updated the vlog like nothing today, but we've been like chilling in the Canary Wharf area basically all day. And now we've come here for some drinks. It's a bit later now and we've just been chilling in the room for like half an hour so Tim could charge his phone and we could eat some shortbread, lol. We're going back out to the pub now to carry on drinking, and then I think today we're actually going to get our McDonald's that we didn't have the other evening because we had a curry. Sorry I've been really awful at vlogging, but tomorrow is our last day in London and hopefully I will remember to vlog some more. This is our final day in London. We decided the evening before that we were going to have a picnic in St James's Park for most of the day, so we just headed over to St James's Park via Tesco's, picked up a meal deal and some other snacks, and yeah, just pretty much chilled out all day in St James's Park. It was very hot. I've definitely forgotten to vlog again, but anyway, we are in St James's Park, which is very nice. It's really hot and sunny and we're just having a little picnic, so I'll show you that. I think we're pretty much going to chill here all day until we need to get our coach home. I think it's like an hour and a bit later and we still haven't moved. Well, we've moved from that patch of shade to this patch of sun. Tim's here somewhere. And I think we're gonna go to Tesco's again maybe soon and pick up some more beverages, but apart from that we're just gonna chill out. So we've just been to Tesco's to buy some more supplies and we are now going back to the park. After chilling in St James's Park all day, we just headed over to Victoria just via the Mall, had some dinner in Victoria and then got our coach, which actually was delayed for an hour. So we pretty much spent an extra hour just hanging around Victoria coach station. Well, thanks very much for watching my first vlog. I hope that you did enjoy it. I had a lot of fun filming my trip in London. I really did my best to try and be brave and speak on camera in public. I hope that you liked all the other clips and everything. I just had a really great time. This is our first trip to a hotel since they reopened, and yeah, I just had a really great time. I love London, got to see friends, ate loads of nice food, had loads of nice drinks, saw loads of sights, did all the touristy bits that I've not done for a while. But thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy this vlog, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment of anything you particularly enjoyed or what your favourite thing to do in London is. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let me know if you'd like me to do more vlogs, or if you totally hated this one, then you can just let me know that as well. But I'll see you very soon for a new video.